I'm sure you all are not new to cross-posting on Facebook and Instagram, and also if you are new, I'm still going to explain it. Cross-posting is more like two pages posting the same video. For instance, Extensive or my Facebook page post a video and I cross-post with my church page, the Goggles and Power Ministry. It looks like I post a video, it appears on my page, and then the Goggles and Power Ministry, which is my church page, it appears on their page also. So both of us posted the same video. That's what cross-posting is all about. Now, do you know you can actually cross-post your live video? If my church page wants to go live and my pastor's page wants to go live, instead of live streaming the both accounts on the same system, I just cross-post my live video. So I'm live streaming to my pastor's page, Pastor A.O. Samuel, and then I'm cross-posting to the Goggles and Power Ministry, which is the church page. I'm cross-posting to all other channels or all other pages on Facebook. This is more easier to do than live streaming to all of them, because it's just going to require you live streaming to one page, which takes less on the system, instead of live streaming to 3 pages, which requires more on the system. I'm going to show you how to do that in this video. Stay tuned, don't forget my name, Joseph Olasukami. This is Extensive. Alright, so I will be going to my church Facebook page, and then I'm going to go into my Facebook page, and I'm going to try to cross post from my page to the church page, from church page to my page, showing you guys how to do that. This is my church Facebook page over here, Pastor A.O. Samuel, my pastor's page. And then for you to do this, you actually need to be admin of the page. So let's make me an admin of the page. We have to go to the settings, or privacy settings, and then settings. This only works when you're an admin of the page. It will not work if you're not an admin of the page. So you have to be an admin of all the pages you want to cross post to. Then you can easily cross post to all of them. So first of all, we're going to go to page setup over here, and then page access. We're going to invite people to manage the page that is over here, and add new. Yeah, next, and then search the person's name. Let me search from my name, Joseph Olasukami. This should be me. Let me see the profile picture just to confirm. Yeah, so this is me over here, Joseph Olasukami. Then add over it content, blah blah blah. Allow this person to have full control. Okay, I trust myself, so I'm gonna have full control of the page. But like, okay, this is including to delete the page. I'm never going to delete the page though, so just give access to the page. Then password for the person. This is my church password over here. Then yes, an invitation will be sent to Joseph Olasukami. This is invite expires in 21 days. No, this is not the password of my page, so that is over here. Then I'm going to accept invite when I log into the other one. So let's just log out of this. That's log out, and then I'm going to log into my page, which is this Joseph Olasukami over here. This is it. Then log in. Okay. Alright, so this is my page over here now. Then I'm just gonna go to the notifications, and then I should see Olasukami invited you to manage that page. Now, Olasukami is actually the name of the profile that is managing the page itself. You have to have a profile before you can create a page. So Olasukami is the name of the profile, and then this is the page over here. So review invites. I can review invite, and then next accept the invite. So I can literally just manage the page over here. So if I can switch, I can just switch to the page, and then it will be like me handling the page. So now to switch to the page, so I can handle the page and then cross post it. I'm going to add it to cross post it. I think there are different ways you can actually cross post. I'm going to show you all the ways, so you can be familiar with all the ways to cross post on Facebook. Now let's go back to the settings of it. Yeah, let me see. So your page has been updated. Yes, use page. And then we're gonna be going straight to settings. What I'm gonna be doing next is going to media. You should see something like media. Yes, this is over here, media. Now in this media, you can actually just see cross posting over here. Then cross posting allows you to add another page on each other behalf, this and that. So you can just add the cross posting. So this is Pastor A.O. Samuel's page. Let me cross post to my page, Extensive, or just see the page over here. So once you add it over here, now if the church page Pastor A.O. Samuel is going to be cross posting to Extensive. Now you can also allow, if Extensive, whenever Extensive is going live, you should cross post to the church page also. That is it over here. So without any approval, it's just going to cross post. I can cross post to the church page can cross post to my page, but I don't really want to cross post to the church page. I just want the church page to be cross posting to my page. So then I'm just going to use require admin approval before it can cross post. And I can go to next, and I think it should be done over a request have been sent to Extensive. So now if I go also to extensive, which is my page over here, okay, let me just go to the name first. This is also coming. By the way, thank you so much, Wizzy Photography. There was someone that just messaged me on WhatsApp showing me how to do this. I actually had no idea how to do it before, but thank God for the person showing me how to do it. Even kept on checking up, okay, have I done it, and then I was able to get it. So I'm showing you guys just because that person was able to show me how to do this. So thank you very much, Wizzy Photography. I'm really grateful. All right, so this is my page over here. I think I'm in the settings already, so just gonna go to my page also. Okay, that should be extensive. But I'll go to my media also. Then this is the Crossposting over here. Let it load a bit. I've not removed the person's page over here, so I'm just going to remove the person's page. By the way, you can follow the person that has been of help to me. It was one that showed me how to do this. Then this is the Pastor Samuel's page that I can cross post to. That is that other person, my church page. You see it over here. So I can click, so automatically post. Then automatically when I'm live streaming, the live video now, which is this, automatically post to mine. Like what is showing here, they've allowed Pastor Samuel to automatically cross post the live video to my page. So whenever the live stream, the only approval for me is just going to cross post. If they click on cross posting, and it's going to cross post to me automatically. So now let's go to AO Samuel, the church page, so I can cross post on it. Since I even manage it now, you can see it easily. I think it'll be more easier now since I can cross post. So let's go to how we can live stream. Live video. Okay, I've not opened vMix, so let me just quickly launch vMix, and I'm just going to add maybe the system camera or my phone camera over here and some other things like that. Yes. All right, so this is my live cam over here. I had to remove the camera that is supposed to show so I can use the phone camera. So I'm just going to be going to my camera. Let me just add a new one, which is this webcam, no audio. Then it does make my audio separately also. Add and build. This should be like this. Yeah. Yep. Alright, so now if we are live streaming, let's say we want to live stream on the page, go live, and now I'm going to show you how to cross post to my page. So this is the church page, cross posting to the other page. You can add other pages actually, like you can add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Like it's not limited, you can add any church page actually. So instead of me live streaming on my vMix right now, live streaming 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different Facebook pages, different Facebook pages, I just live stream to one, and the one is going to cross post to the other ones. I think it's more better that way. Yes, that's why I'm actually showing you guys today. More better actually. So let me just go to this. Then I was gonna say testing. I'm supposed to make this and description, putting this and that. Then once you've saved it, then this is over here. Normally it's going to automatically cross post, we know that already, but just in case you don't want to go through all that, you can also cross post over here, cross post to more pages, and then you select the pages that has been admin. Only pages that your admin can show here. You click on it, save page for next time. So next time you want to live stream, you're just going to automatically cross post to extensive. Now Pastor AO Samuel is cross posting to extensive or going live. So if you have other pages that are admin of your page, you can just cross post to all of them over here, and then save it for next time. So whenever you're going live stream next, it's going to cross post automatically. That's it over here. You're going to cross post. You can add more pages. There are no more pages here that are admin. That's why. So once that is done, look at it. I'm sharing to this group. I'm cross posting to this page. Then go live. That's just it. Copy your stream key, go over here, copy your stream key, do your thing. Yeah, I made it persistent stream key. Let me just show you another tip. Another tip is I don't know if I've mentioned this before, but instead of you having to copy and paste stream key different times every time you want to go live, you can use persistent stream key over here. This means it's only one stream key, always one stream key. So if you copy this, if you see over here my stream key is actually the same stream key that was there before, so you always have one stream key. So instead of you having to go to copy and paste stream key, you can just click on start stream, and then it's starting your stream instantly over here. You see it connected. You don't need to be copying and pasting. Always. Then the moment I go live, or I'm live to Pastor Ewo Samuel, and our Life to Extensive. So that is actually how to cross-post to different pages on Facebook, like different pages. You can use this for all your pages on Facebook, and it has actually been working pretty good for a lot of people that have been giving me this testimony already. I have to, someone tried it out before I can now tell you guys to actually use it. Yes, and thank you very much for watching. If this video has been useful to you, please don't hesitate to like, subscribe, share. I'm pretty sure this is going to come in handy for a lot of people actually. So please like, comment, share to your family, to your loved one, and please subscribe. I'm going to post some more videos on how to improve your live stream, how to make things more easier instead of being more technical, more difficult and stuff. So thank you very much. See you in my next video. My name is Joseph Olasukomi. I have nothing else to say. See you in my next video.